Hi everyone, welcome to Learn for Exam. I'm Athra Roy and in this video I'm going to cover a question. Now I'll teach you to solve one kind of a very frequent question that comes in exams like IFT and Math, Snap and TIS, and I'll teach you how to do this question in literally 10 seconds. Now if you people have solved a few number of APGP questions or even looked at the chapter, this is a question that comes in very frequently, right? So today we'll learn how to solve this question. First, let's read the question. A certain ball when dropped to a ground rebounds to 4/5 of the height and from which it falls if it's dropped from a height of 100 meters. What is the total distance it travels before finally coming into rest? So मैंने यहाँ पे diagrammatically तो आप लोगों को दिखाने का try करा है. So this is the initial height from which the ball is dropped, right? According to the question, this is given as 100 meters. Now question में ये बोला है कि after the ball hits the ground, it again comes up, it again jumps up, and this is how much? This is equal to 4/5 of the previous distance. So अगर पहला वाला distance 100 meter था, तो अभी ये वाला distance कितना हो जाएगा? 4/5 of that would be equal to 80 meters. Now 80 meters अगर ball ऊपर आता है, 80 meters नीचे भी आएगा. The moment it hits the ground again, it will again come to 4/5 of that distance, right? So that is 64 meters now, right? 4/5 of 80 meters. Again, जितना उठाए उतना नीचे जाएगा. Then I'll again have 4/5 of that, and so on, and it will continue till infinity, till the point that the ball, gets to the ground and does not go up to a substantial amount of distance. Now, how do you solve this question in the longer method? The longer method would be the first distance is what? 100 meters. Then what do I have? I have 80 plus 80 plus 64 plus 64 and so on. It goes up till infinity, right? So this would be equal to 100 plus twice of 80 plus 64 plus continues to infinity. Now this is nothing but an infinite GP with the first term to be equal to 80 and the common ratio to be equal to 4/5, right? So what is the sum of this infinite GP? It would be A by, we know that the sum of infinite GP is given by the formula A by 1 minus R. We'll apply the same formula here. We'll get 80 divided by 1 minus 4/5, right? So this would be, and we have 100 before, so we'll just calculate this up. This would be equal to 100 plus, now 1 minus 4/5 is 1/5, 5 would go upar, so 400 यहाँ पे into 2, so it would become 800, and the final answer would be equal to 900 meters. So this is the longer method, right? Now how to do this question in the shortest possible method? All of you, I guess, know this method already. Now how do you do this question in the shortest method? I've taken the same question. The shortest method tells us that whatever the ratio is, write the ratio in the form of A by B. Okay? So we'll keep A by B as 4/5. The ratio till which the ball again jumps up, and the initial distance is known as D. So D here is equal to 100. The total distance covered by the ball till the time it comes to rest is given by the formula the initial distance multiplied by the sum of the numerator and the denominator divided by the difference of the numerator and the denominator. The difference, please understand, you don't have to calculate 4 minus 5. Do not subtract B from A, but just calculate the difference, absolute difference I would rather say. You can also put a modular sign in case you need to. But this sign essentially means difference between the absolute numbers, right? So that would be equal to D multiplied by A plus B, that is 9 here, 4 plus 5, divided by difference of 4 and 5 is equal to 1, right? And what is the value of D? The value of D is equal to, it's given 100 meters. So 100 into 9 by 1, the final answer comes out to be 900 meters. So you can see it's a very short method and you would get these kind of questions literally in 10 seconds. We'll just try out another question and then I have one question that you people would solve. The question that we want to try out is the value of A by B is given as 3/4. D is equal to 200. The distance would be equal to 200 into the sum, that is 7, divided by the difference, that is 1, 400 meters, and that's the answer. So this is the question that I want you people to solve please ensure you apply this short trick and solve it out, and do let me know how much time did it take you, because I'm very sure it won't take you more than 10 seconds. Right, so that was all about in this video. I will make more videos on these kind of questions, questions that you people can solve really quick, knowing short tricks that would really help you out in the exams that you want to take, right? So for more videos, do make sure you connect with us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and Snapchat at Learn for Exam. Have a very good day ahead, and do let me know what is the answer to the question. If you like this video, please press the like button. Have a very good day ahead again. Bye-bye.